The Philippines has formally inaugurated its latest air surveillance radar system of the Philippine Air Force. This facility was purchased from Japan, which was meant to symbolize a deeper connection between the two nations to strengthen and expand the air and maritime defense of the Philippines. Let's get the details from Pol Montibon.
Defense Secretary Gilbert Chodoro and Air Force officials led the ceremonial acceptance, turnover and blessing of the country's newest additional facilities in support to its defense and monitoring capability through air and maritime activities in the region. The project covers the delivery of 4 units of air surveillance radar system, consisting of 3 FPS 3ME fixed and 1 TPS 14ME mobile radar platforms, together with radar support facilities. The Philippines bought the radar system under a government-to-government deal from Japan's Mitsubishi Electric Corporation, which is part of the AFP Modernization Horizon Plan 2, to be used under the 580th Aircraft Control and Warning Wing of the Philippine Air Force, which costs 5.5 billion pesos.
Importante po ito dahil makikita po natin sa layo ng 300 nautical miles ang mga intrusion sa ating airspace. Kaugnay ng iba pang mga sistema, magkakaroon tayo ng klarong picture, hindi lamang sa West Philippine Sea, kundi sa ibang lugar ng Pilipinas, sa sea, air, domains, kung sino ang pumapasok sa ating EEZ.
This is just one of the 4 air surveillance radar system, while the remaining 3 is expected to be delivered in the country soon. These radars can detect fighter jets and identify threats and intrusion within the Philippine exclusive economic zone. With this, the Philippine Air Force will be able to respond promptly to safeguard the country's economic interests.
Other capabilities of the radars include the active electronically scanned array, a range of more than 300 nautical miles, a 95% detection probability, and multiple electronic countermeasure capabilities. Additionally, they feature air defense mode and ballistic missile defense mode. The Department of National Defense earlier stated that these new projects are part of the Philippine government's effort to further develop, enhance, and sustain its air and maritime domain awareness. It also strengthened the long-standing cooperation between the Philippines and Japan. Philippine Air Force personnel who were projected to operate and maintain the ASRS were sent to Japan for comprehensive training, while additional training within the country was also conducted. The majority of ASRS coverage will be in large areas of Luzon, the southern areas of the country, and the southern portion of the West Philippine Sea.
This is a strategic location, as you saw in the audiovisual, even since before, because this is an exit point of our international airspace and an entry point to Philippine airspace, and it is naturally open to the West Philippine Sea.
For God and my country, the Philippines, reporting Pol Montibon, SMNI News.